in lockdown, bored out of my mind. I'm going to do a little something with my Malawi ciglet tank. Okay, so what am I going to attempt to do is make underwater waterfall using a Chinese takeaway container. Okay, if you don't believe me, this is the Chinese takeaway container. I've modified it, right, to make my waterfall, bit of hose pipe, little pump. Okay, let's see what happens by the end of the day. Okay, been on it all day, the water's still clearing a bit, but I think I have done my underwater waterfall. Okay, there it is functioning.
The driver is immediately
My Malawi tank.
So now it's Skip, the drug dog's turn to check out the car. And it's not long before he comes up with something.
I can't obviously conclusively say, but looking at the colour, I think we'd probably call that a wrap of certainly class A, probably heroin.
But there's more to come. Searching the car brings up further possible evidence of drug use.
Well,
Here we are, all
so we've
done.
got